this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. I'm out driving our 86 K10 short box. Nice truck. We just put a new 350 in it. Probably doesn't have 100 miles on the engine. Here we're cruising down the road about 55, 60. 60 pounds of oil pressure. Nice driving truck. Been through the alignment rack. Of course, been, like I said, new motor. So, nice driver quality truck. Paint's on it. Been a repaint at one time. You see it's got some pretty good shine there. But I just call it an average job. And it's showing a few imperfections from its age. But like I said, just a nice square body to drive, and they're good investments right now. They just keep going up all the time. So this one shows 86,393. The guy I got it from said they were actual miles, but I have no documentation, and it doesn't matter anymore. We took the 305 blew up, so we put a 350 in it. So like I said, brand new motor, runs and drives great. We'll turn around here. I'll show you the brakes, and then we'll go through the shifts. You can see it's got an overdrive tranny, so 700 R4 overdrive. Big improvement putting a 350 in them. They got a nice pickup instead of the old doggy 305s that they put in them. Brakes work good. Bump here. They resurfaced this part of the road here. Nice solid shift in transmission. Good pickup. So, great running and driving truck. Any questions? Give me a call, 605-695-7391.